Alright, today's video is about my drone. I have flown my drone for over 5 years and I've crashed it several times and it's not safe to fly anymore. If you look here, I have crazy glued it in here and it's breaking off already. And then here, you see stress cracks, crazy glue here. And if you look at the motor right here, look how it's moving. That is not safe in the air because the drone is not stable. So right now this drone is not safe to fly at all. So what I need to do is change the entire housing of the Phantom Standard 3. And what I did was I ordered this replacement part. This is an original part for the Phantom Standard 3. Alright, here it is. Alright, so this is the shell, the complete shell for it. And here's the hardware, the bolts. Alright, here's the legs, brand new. So if I look at my drone, it's exactly the same. This is going to be a time-consuming project to get all this hardware, all this gimbal stuff back into the this housing here. Alright, I'm gonna get started. Alright, to start, I have my carbon fiber landing gear support here, which is helped me a lot not to break the gimbal. See, this carbon fiber is very light. You can hardly feel it. also got brand new propellers for the drone since the other one are scratched up. I got new ones. All right, looks like everything is working. So now I'm going to try to fly it outside to see what happens. All right, it looks like everything is working perfect. Alright, so the drone is flying 100%, just like it was new. So it's running perfect. Alright, that was something very important that I need to do to my drone, since it wasn't flying 100% like it was supposed to. Alright, thanks for watching. Navigate safe.